Shoes all on. Quiet.
Doing very well, Ava. Tired now? Yeah, you walked a long ways. And this is why you can't always find your shoes, Papa. They have walked off without you. Except, look at this. She's going to go put them back by the door. Yeah. Thank you, Ava. Wow.